Welcome to our video on how to make easy money with just a few clicks or taps. We all love making extra cash, and what's better than earning it while doing things we already do on a daily basis? In this video, we will introduce you to 5 apps that will pay you $100 a day for simple tasks. So grab your phone or laptop and let's get started. First app is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is an all-in-one platform that rewards users for completing surveys, watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. It's one of the most popular money-making apps with over 20 million users worldwide. Users can earn Swagbucks points, which they can redeem for gift cards or cash via PayPal. On average, users can earn up to $100 a day by completing various tasks on Swagbucks. Second, InboxDollars. InboxDollars is another popular app that pays users for completing surveys, reading emails, and watching videos. Users can also earn cashback rewards for shopping online through the app. With over 10 million users, InboxDollars is a great way to earn some extra cash. Users can earn up to $5 per survey and up to 25 cents for each email they read. Third, TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a unique app that allows users to complete various tasks for people in their local area. Tasks can range from cleaning and organizing to running errands and grocery shopping. Users can set their own rates and choose which tasks they want to complete. On average, users can earn up to $100 a day by completing tasks on TaskRabbit. Fourth, Uber Eats. If you have a car and some spare time, Uber Eats is a great way to earn extra cash. Users can sign up to become a delivery driver for Uber Eats and get paid for delivering food from local restaurants. Drivers can earn up to $20 per hour, and the app supports contactless delivery to ensure safety during the pandemic. Fifth app is really a cool one, it's Rover. If you love animals, Rover is the app for you. Rover connects pet owners with local dog walkers, pet sitters, and doggy daycare providers. Users can set their own rates and choose which services they want to offer. With Rover, users can earn up to $30 per hour by taking care of furry friends in their local area. That's it for our top 5 money-making apps that can help you earn up to $100 a day. With just a few clicks or taps, you can maximize your earnings and start earning easy cash. Download these apps today and start making money right away. Thanks for watching, and happy earning! We hope you enjoyed this video on how to make easy money with just a few clicks or taps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And if you have any other money-making tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.